You must be very excited. You really wanted this contract.
Yeah.
Dad got the contract?
Yes, dear. Dad got the contract.
Does this mean I can go to Stonehenge this summer?
Stonehenge? I've heard that name before. Isn't that one of those Egyptian burial sites?
No, Dad. It's not a pyramid. It's sacred grounds where in the ancient times, the witches used to get together and worship.
Witches? Honey, don't you think you're pushing this witchcraft thing a little too far?
Honey, it's her interest.
Actually, it's more than an interest.
What do you mean, more than an interest?
She's discovered that she's a witch.
Well, I myself had an encounter with a witch yesterday afternoon.
You did, Dad?
Mm-hmm. In the elevator.
Who is she? Is she from the Lephitite tribe?
Ms. Penny. She pulls me into the elevator and shuts the doors and corners me.
Cornered you?
Mm.
Oh, I wish women would leave your dad alone. You're just irresistible, honey.
She gets me in the corner.
Yes, dear. We don't need to know more. We do have a young lady in our presence.
No, sweetie, nothing like that. Quite the contrary, actually.
What happened, Dad?
Well, she kind of warned me.
Warned you?
Dad?
Mm-hmm. She said I should be careful working in that building late at night. As a matter of fact, she said I shouldn't be working there at nights at all.
Why, honey?
Did she say why?
Well, if you give me a chance, I'll tell you.
Go on, honey.
Thank you. She said people have been going missing there, in that old building.
I have to call Casey right away. Where's the building, Dad?
It's BMF headquarters, in downtown.
Honey, don't you think it's time we tell her?
You have desperately hurt your brother and he is suffering.